Hey guys, I'm back with more on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Today's leak is very important because it actually reveals how much the Note 9 will be different compared to the last year's Galaxy Note 8. We're going to be taking a look at what actually changed with the design compared to the Note 8 thanks to a visual screen protector leak that gave us a good idea about the change in bezels and a possible surprise change in some other areas. So in case you don't know, last time we concluded from the emotional information from Ice Universe that Galaxy Note 9 won't be having an in-display fingerprint scanner. Instead, it will be on the back of the phone along with those dual cameras, and the bezels will be about 2mm shorter compared to the Note 8. But overall, the change won't be a noticeable one, meaning it will be a Galaxy Note 8s kinda upgrade. Samsung is expected to bring a new Crown UI with the Note 9 and Bixby 2.0. Now today we got the screen protector leak. It actually happened the same day as we saw the Pixel 3 leak, so check out yesterday's video if you missed that. So the Note 9 is looking very identical to Note 8 but slightly smaller bezels on both top and bottom, in total about 2mm shorter. Based on that, we have this representation, and it's not the most accurate one, but it will give us an idea of how much change we have with the Galaxy Note 9 thanks to this render by Venya Gaskin. Based on this, it shows a noticeable change. I mean, side by side, it does have smaller top and bottom bezel, but I still don't think it's worth it, you know what I'm saying? No regrets if you go for the Note 8, I mean, it's still pretty damn good. I'm just happy that Samsung is the company that will fight the dark side with no notch, keeping the headphone jack while others are getting rid of it, and also keeping the good old micro SD card slot. The Note 9 will indeed going to be the most complete Note phone. You will see stereo speakers for the first time on a Note phone along with the variable aperture camera. It's also going to be thicker this time because it's rumored to have a near 4,000 mAh cell for the first time on any Samsung flagship phone, something that we desperately need. Now, Ice Universe further pointed out that the iris sensor opening on the Note 9 is actually bigger than that of the Note 8, and from that, he thinks that the iris scanner might actually be more powerful than the one on the Note 8, and that also means it's going to be powerful than the one on the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. If you look at the Note 8 sensor, you'll see that the iris scanner and front camera opening is the same, but on the Note 9, the opening for the iris scanner is a little bit bigger than the opening of the front camera. Also, Note 9 could be the first Samsung phone to rock 8GB of RAM and a whopping 512GB of storage. Ice Universe tweeted this saying, if you are lucky, you could get a Note 9 with 8GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. It's overkill, and in my opinion, if something like that happened, then most likely it'll be exclusive to China. Now, as far as the rumored launch of the Galaxy Note 9 is concerned, it could be as early as 29th July 2018, which means we're almost 2 months away from the launch of the Galaxy Note 9, rumored to be in Germany. We also got the benchmark result of the superior Galaxy Note 9, which is the Exynos 9810 variant, so it's actually powerful than the Qualcomm variant of the Note 9 thanks to the benchmark results. It shows that Exynos is superior to Snapdragon 845 in both single and multi-core benchmark scores. The Qualcomm Note 9 scored 2190 compared to the 2737 score of the Exynos Note 9 and 8806 in multi-core compared to the 9064 of the Exynos Note 9. So Exynos Note 9 will be the superior one, and it's all fun in benchmarks, but in real life you won't be able to notice any difference, maybe in the battery life department, but not in daily day-to-day use. So yeah guys, that's all we have on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. This is how much it is changed compared to the Note 8. Is it worth it? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below, and please make sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so that you don't miss any future video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.